Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Code Artist, and I will tell you what we are going to see today. We are going to show a square menu with a beautiful animation effect, and after that we will see the code part from the first line to the last line. I will share the whole code GitHub file in the description. You can just copy and paste code from there and paste it in your project, and I will explain every code. So do not blindly just copy and paste my code, otherwise you will get an error, and you will got stuck in your project. So I will explain every part to be till the end of the video, and I will show you what we are going to see today, what we are going to make today. After that I will explain the code. Okay, so without any wastage of time, we will see we are going to see today. Okay, I already open it to avoid any wastage of time. So this is the menu bar. This is the menu bar. When I just click over it, see the effect of opening. See the effect of opening. See the effect of closing. When I click over it, see how it opened, and when I click over it, see how it is closing. Yeah, and on hover, it make a light color, you can say, and the beautiful effect. And I kept my background dark, so what it suit to your project layout, to customize this according to your project. Okay, customize these icons according to your project, and customize the colors with your project, customize this hover with your project, and customize this closing and opening according to your project. So do not blindly just copy and paste my code. Please make sure to customize everything in your project. These icons, like if you are not using this setting, this logo icons in your project, just remove it. Place whatever you are using, just and remove these things. If you are not using this message icon in your project, remove it. Place that icon you are using in your project. Okay, and guys, make sure to customize, like if you are using light background in your project, so make the colors which suit to your project. Okay, make this icons and this background color which suit to your project. Okay, otherwise it will not look good in your project. Okay, this is the very important things. And one more thing guys, if you think I am providing some good content to you, so please support my channel. I need your support. Okay, and I will regularly provide this type of content to you. Okay, and okay, let's, without any wastage of time, we will see the code, and I will explain the code. Okay, I've already opened the code. Yeah, here is the code. Here is the here I will like to mention that I am using, for icons I am using React icons, and if you are not using React icons in your project, so just you can use any SVG file or PNG or any icons from any source. Okay, so like icon scout, from icon scout you can download SVG PNG files from there. And okay, and if you are if you are agree with React icons, you can go through it. Okay, that's nice. React icons, and here is the function handle navigation. On click it make to, I think you are more familiar with the use state hooks in React. That use state hook, it's a basic hook in React. So on click over it, I make it true, and means if it true, it if it false, then it make it true. If true, it make it false. Okay, and here are the icons. Here are the icons. These are all the icons. I just make a reference of them here. And here is the full code. Here is the full code. That's not a big code. You can just copy it from the video also. Otherwise I will provide the description code link in the description. Okay, and here is the full CSS. Okay, I commented already. Here is the full CSS. Just copy and paste this all CSS code in your project. Okay, and you can easily customize these all codes in your project. Yeah guys, if you want to change the height, width and color, everything you can change it from here. I think you are a beginner or experienced, anyone can do this easily. It's not a big task for any of the developer. And I provide everything, every necessary things, whatever I can. So that's end for today, guys. And I try my best to put everything, whatever I can. And if I forget to if I forget to provide any other any things, so please make sure to comment. And I need your feedback and support both. So thanks, guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot to you all.